Hey, I'm Avni. Welcome to STEMpedia, where learning meets fun. And today, I've got something super exciting to show you. Meet Wizbot, your classroom's favorite learning buddy. So now we'll explore this classroom pack, what each components are and how it supports hands-on learning in your classroom. So let's get started. This classroom pack or CRP is a complete program for a screen-free and play-based learning that builds and enhances foundational skills in literacy, numeracy, along with computational thinking, with different offerings in Anganwadi, kindergarten till grade 5, all in a super fun way. It's also available in regional and international languages. Let's break it down. The Wizbot CRP comes in two parts, the curriculum folder and the Wizbot Kit. So first, let's explore the curriculum folder. Let's open this. It includes the colorful and durable activity posters. Let me keep this here. Along with a Wizbot diagram, a set of grid sheets for drawing activities, and a detailed teacher's handbook and students' workbooks. This teacher's handbook is your roadmap. It includes detailed curriculum guide, lesson plans, learning outcomes, and more. It's aligned with foundational skills, global standards, and emphasizes experiential learning. The activity posters and workbooks are packed with step-by-step instructions and eye-catching activities. So now let's check out the Wizbot Kit. The first level of the kit includes 6 Wizbot for students to play and learn with. Each group gets one robot to code movement, solve challenges, and explore more using logic and sync, but with simple buttons. It's coding without screens. Now in the second level, we've got all the teaching learning materials like arena pouch, picture card box, dice box, coding cards, brush pen and claw set, and last the teacher's kit for structure and story-based learning. Now let's explore the teacher's kit. It contains a dedicated Wizbot for teachers, a set of palm-sized coding cards makes it easier for demonstration, collaterals like dice, picture cards, and coding cards, which makes it easier to engage the learners. Next is the very fun arena pouch. This carries your Wizbot play spaces with a number of gamified activities to make learning fun and very engaging. Next is picture cards. These are great for visual storytelling, thematic sorting, and real-world challenges. Use them to create narratives or as visual cues in your activities. Next up is coding cards. These cards represent Wizbot's button commands. Students use them to plan sequences before executing them with Wizbot by promoting pre-coding logic and computational thinking. Next up is dice box. This comes with a variety of dice. Each die is brightly colored and visually engaging, making them perfect for gamified activities like movement-based challenges, learning and practicing arithmetic, turn-taking, and creating random commands. Then we have a brush pen set, which helps in drawing activities. Just attach a brush pen and watch their logic turn into a visual design. Now the last level has all the spare part box. So now this box at the bottom includes all essential spare parts like extra wheels, other components and tools. So you're always prepared for quick replacements. And there you have it, your complete Wizbot Classroom Pack. In the next video, we'll be diving into Wizbot's functions, setting up the arenas, and showing you exactly how to get your class started with fun and engaging activities. Stay tuned, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning!